Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. We're out in the garage working on the TJ. Today's the big reveal day, so when you watch this one, you're going to know what's going on. First thing we're going to do is do an extra cleaning on it. Then we'll reveal the secret and start the process. First part of the process is it's got to be real clean. We are using isopropyl alcohol here. It's 91%. Doesn't matter which one you pick. You just need to make sure you're real wax-free and clean. So we're going to start wiping everything down. We're going to start with the edges. So I'll flip open the hood and get on it. We'll bring you back. We're going to continue to do this another coat, get all the tools, show you what we're going to use, and get going. I used to use this trick when I painted cars. So how you work up to an edge like this without taking the window out? What you do is you peel this back a little bit, the rubber. It's hard to get under there to start with, but you peel this back and you start pushing a piece of wire down in there like this. And see, that's going to hold the rubber away like that. So we're just going to do that all the way around this windshield frame by the hood here so that we can work up and underneath the edge here. And then we'll have to go back and, of course, clean this real nice. You can see we're getting just a little bit of edge here. Here it's a little bit difficult, but it's holding it up most of the places. This is actually old phone wire I got here, but any wire you got works. Just experiment with the sizes and work it. So we also have a heat gun. We are going to need of magnets. So these magnets are welding magnets, but we're going to use them to hold things in place while we position. So let's get started. Okay, time for the surprise. I'll go get it. Here's the great reveal. Yes, this is wrap, and yes, it's camo. So we are going to roll this out on the hood. Hard to handle a big piece here. Got it up there. We're going to pull it up the window until we get this near the edge. You gotta see how this comes down. You gotta check right here. See how that's coming down? Oh, we gotta come down a little bit more. We think we want it about there. Take one of the magnets, right there, hold it in place. Gotta fold this down and see where we are here. And it looks like we're gotta come this way some. Yeah, definitely got to come this way some. So got to move that way. And what we can do is we can measure this to see where we're at. So we come from the approximate middle here. Come to here, we're 38. Come to the approximate middle here. Measure this out. 38.5. So we are pretty close to the middle. You can reposition this stuff, but it's nice to try to start out with everything right where you want it. Looks like that's going to have plenty. Looks like that's going to have plenty. And this is going to have plenty. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a couple more magnets up here to hold it. We don't want it to move when we're doing this. Now, we are going to make some preliminary cuts to get some of the kinks out, because it's not part that gets wrapped, because there's a seam like right here. So what we're going to be able to do here is take this and you about see where this comes to. So we're going to be able to come right here and cut it. We know where that is, so just going to cut to there. And we're going to go to the other side, do the same thing. Now you can see how that folded down nice in there. So we're pretty good. We don't need to have all this material here, so we're going to kind of figure out what we can trim away from here just to make it easier to work on. We're going to get a marker so we can mark this. But so what we're going to do, we'll be back and we'll show you how we do it all. But we got it up there, got it close. Going to make some marks, do some cutting to trim it just a little bit. Then we're going to peel the back, start showing you how to do wrap. So we got ourselves one of the dry erase markers. It'll work. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull this into here, see where that is. We know we want to go under a good inch, so we want to come away about 2 inches. So we're just saying right here, and do it just like this, and bring it like this. And we'll do the same thing on this other side. You could just cut these by eye, but I did this just so I don't mess it up. And we're going to cut these pieces off. This will give us some to experiment on some of the seams, how you put it in, so we can get better at that before we do the actual project. So now you have to start peeling it. So what we're going to do is we're going to move the magnets up farther from where we're at. Put the magnets up here. Actually, I'm going to bring this one over here. I think we'll spread that one out too. It's less likely to turn. Now we're going to start peeling in a corner, and we're going to peel the backing off. And see how that works. So it looks like I don't need a helper. I figured out how to do this. So a lot of work here to get that where we wanted to start. So what we're going to do is we're going to start a small section right here where we're going to set it down good. And we're going to leave this sit right there. Because what we're going to do is we're going to pull that all up to there and pull it snug. Uh-oh. Now you can see why I wanted the little pieces off the corners. Okay. Oh, shouldn't have done that. Might have messed this up. Oh, yeah. There's a hole right there for that. Got her wrapped. Now there are some spots on this hood where we have to put some things. There's one right here. Kind of cut these out. See, there's one right here. Should be another one there. So here's one. I put that one in. That one, that's for that loop. Somewhere up here, right there, there's our hole for our window washer. I got that plugged up. Get that other hole, and we can find our bin for our stuff for We got our front hood stuff. There's two pieces. There's the window washer thing. When you put that in, make sure it's spraying towards the glass. That would be bad to not spray towards the glass. That's in. And then these, sometimes you can just kind of screw them in a little bit, but then you've got to go underneath and pull on this little tab, but you want to be careful not to ruin these. So we'll get those in a second. We bought a new hood loop, so we're going to have to go get that. It's in the house. So a couple of things. We can hook our window washer back up. And then these, you just kind of pull on the rubber here a little while we twist it. Well, thanks for watching My Two Good Hands. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Post notifications on. Amazon links in the bottom to supplies. Help support the channel. Buy from Amazon using those links. Even if you're not buying what's in the link, buy something else. Still helps the channel if you come in through the link. So we'll catch you in the next video. We'll do the other side. We won't show you. We will get you a fender video and a grill video yet. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. Post notifications on. Don't miss it.